Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Volkswagen Beetle. First, gather your essential tools, including a 19mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout this simple maintenance task. Let's get started. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 19mm bolt, on the bottom of your engine's oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath to catch the used oil. Carefully remove the plug, allowing the old oil to flow out completely. This step ensures all contaminants are removed, preparing your engine for fresh, clean lubrication. Give it several minutes to fully drain. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it securely but without excessive force to prevent damage. This ensures a leak-free seal. The final step is adding fresh oil. Refer to your Volkswagen Beetle's owner's manual for the specific oil type and the exact amount needed, typically around 4 to 5 quarts. Carefully pour the new oil into the engine's fill port. After adding, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick, topping off if needed to reach the full mark. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.